Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Angrazidan.
In our daily life, we often make mistakes, as to err is human, but being a civilized and educated person, we should say sorry. Saying sorry shows that we recognize our mistakes and we take responsibility for our actions as well. Using sorry frequently can also help to maintain healthy relationships with others. When we apologize for our mistakes, we show that we value the other person's feelings and are willing to work towards repairing any damage that may have been caused. However, overuse of this expression sounds unnatural and boring. So in today's video, we are learning some synonymous expressions of I am sorry. Let's get started. I really am sorry, or I am really sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I apologize. I apologize. My apologies. My apologies. One step ahead when you're saying, please accept my sincere apologies. Please accept my sincere apologies.
जब हमें अपने किए पर अफसोस भी हो तो हम क्या कहते हैं?
I regret what I did. I regret what I did.
जब आप अपनी बुरी फीलिंग भी बताना चाहें तो?
That I feel bad about it. I feel bad about it.
जब हम अपने किए की पूरी जिम्मेदारी भी लेना चाहें तो क्या कहते हैं?
I take full responsibility. I take full responsibility. Again, in different words, it was my fault and I'm sorry. It was my fault and I'm sorry. I understand that I was wrong. I understand that I was wrong.
अपनी गलती मान लेना बहुत मुश्किल काम होता है और आप ये मानकर साबित कर रहे हैं कि आपको दूसरे के एहसासात का बहुत ख्याल है.
Next expression, I'm deeply sorry for my actions.
यानी आप अपने किए पर बहुत नादिम हैं.
So, what is it? I'm deeply sorry for my actions. Next expression, I hope you can forgive me. I hope you can forgive me.
मतलब हम सिर्फ अफसोस का इजहार नहीं कर रहे बल्कि माफ़ी भी मांग रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें उनके जज्बात का एहसास है.
Next expression, I'll make it up for you. I'll make it up for you.
ये जाहिर करता है कि हम नुकसान की तलाफी भी करना चाहते हैं.
Next one, I'm ashamed of my behavior. I'm ashamed of my behavior.
मतलब माफ़ी बराए माफ़ी नहीं बल्कि हम वाकई में शर्मिंदा भी हैं.
Next one, I didn't mean to cause any harm. I didn't mean to cause any harm.
ये एक्सप्रेशन जाहिर करता है कि दिल दुखाने का मकसद नहीं था या इरादा नहीं था.
Next one, I didn't want to hurt anyone's sentiments. I didn't want to hurt anyone's sentiments.
ये एक्सप्रेशन भी जाहिर करता है कि किसी के जज्बात को ज़द पहुंचाना हमारा मकसद नहीं था.
Next one, I'll do better next time. I'll do better next time.
मतलब कि मैंने आइंदा के लिए सबक सीख लिया है और आइंदा ऐसा नहीं होगा.
I realized my mistake. I have realized my mistake. Yes, this one is a little bit lengthy, but it shows your full more command of the language. I don't know what I did at the spur of the moment was turned out to be that tragic or drastic. I don't know what I did at the spur of the moment was turned out to be that tragic or that drastic. A very good and nice expression showing your inner feelings as well.
कि जो कुछ भी हुआ वो planned नहीं था.
Next expression. Although my intention wasn't wrong or bad, I am deeply concerned or I'm deeply sorry. Although my intention wasn't wrong or bad, I'm deeply concerned or I'm deeply touched or I'm deeply sorry. Well, however, it is important to note that while saying sorry is important, it should not be overused to the point of insincerity. It is essential to use the word genuinely and take corrective action to avoid repeating the same mistakes. So in today's video, we have done some synonymous expressions of I am sorry. If you like the video, kindly comment and share and do subscribe as well. That's all for today.